My name is Donna Lovette, and you might be thinking that trying to learn AI, that it's too technical, it's too difficult, it's just too hard. And I'm saying to you that it's not. My first experience with using AI was asking it to proofread a book for grammar. Now, I never use prompts. Today, I never use prompts. I would just ask a question. So I would ask her, what do you think of this? She would give me, or he would give me, it would give me its idea. I would give feedback, and we would go back and forth until I would see something that I'd say, that's it. I'd see a title of a chapter, I'd say, that's it. I would see a paragraph and I'd say, perfect. That represents my heart and my thoughts perfectly. It was collaborative. If you would desire to learn how to use AI using regular language, not prompts, and have it be a collaborative partnership, then I would recommend that you would read my book that's listed below, AI as Partner, and you will find that book will bless you. So read it. Until next time, guys, be amazingly blessed.